twongeye kubasuhuza abakurikiye YouTube channel yacu, aho tugiye kubagezaho inkuru y'uko Perezida Paul Kagame yagize i Kayonza mu duce twa Rwinkwavu na Kabarondo, maze akava mu modoka agasuhuza abantu. Iki gikorwa kandi agikoze inshuro ya kabiri mu ntara y'Iburasirazuba, aho ibi bibaye nyuma yaho avuye i Nyamata, aho yageze i Nyamata agasuhuza abantu, abaturage bakishima cyane. Yongeye rero kubikora mu karere k'Iburasirazuba ka Kayonza, aho yageze Rwinkwavu ndetse na Kabarondo, akavamo agasuhuza abantu. Ibi biragaragara kuri Twitter ya President of Rwanda, aho yashyizeho amafoto agaragaza ibyishimo ndetse n'umunezero abaturage bari bafite. Ngaho nguko rero ni mubirebe mu mafoto, ndetse kandi tubararikira gukora subscribe kugira ngo ujye ubona inkuru zacu ko tuzishyizeho ako kanya.
Africa needs to get its act together and be a place that can raise its interests higher than where it is, its stakes, and do as much as possible to be one of the players on the global scene instead of always being caught up in the power games that we see across the world. And this is possible if Africa comes together and reasserts itself and stops being that place where people are told every day what to do, what not to do.